Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today's video, we're going to show you the best way to manage your finances, especially if you have a low to mid range income. And the best way to actually manage your finances is to incorporate an application or to use an application, specifically a budget application that can help you in managing, organizing, and at the same time tracking your budget, either on a daily scale, monthly, or a yearly scale. It's better to have it planned out and tracked as well. And here we have three applications that you can use either on Windows or Mac that will be really helpful for you. So the first application we have is EveryDollar Budget Planning. So here you can download this app. Actually, this application is for your phone. So again, this one is helpful because it's on your mobile device. It's called EveryDollar Budget Planning. So EveryDollar Budget Planning, it's a really helpful budget planning app that helps you, well, keep track of your income. You can add multiple sources of income. So for example, if you're a freelancer and you have multiple jobs, you can add it here. That way you can see the total income. At the same time, you can also track how much you spend on food, how much you plan to spend on basic necessities, on your needs, on your wants. At the same time, of course, you can see your remaining balances as well. You can also connect with some trusted experts here. For example, if you want to acquire insurance or if you want to have like theft protection, definitely this is the app for you. It's free to use, but there are, of course, some advantages if you use their premium feature. Like, for example, here you can get an analytics for your budgeting if you want to use their premium feature, but that of course that's going to cost you extra. Now here we have Inab. So Inab isn't actually for free, so it costs. There are different pricings for it, but we'll get to this later on. But yeah, Inab is ad free. Again, it's for your phone as well, but you can also, I believe this is also available for PC. And at the same time, the good thing about this is you can access or you can do budget sharing for example, if you have a company, if you're running a startup company and you want to keep track of your startup business's income or your budget planning, then this might be the app for you because you can have members here, group managers that can help you keep track of your budget. Now, other features here involves Apple Card imports, mobile widgets, and for some customizable views. It's good for tracking. You can track either weekly, monthly, yearly budget, or you can custom your goal tracking as well. You have even here you have access to a loan calculator. So if you have taken on multiple loans this year or this month, definitely it's best for you to have a debt management. That way you can really see if whether or not you can still handle these loans or if you might need some extra income to cover these loans. And of course, you have here some spending and net worth reports already available. Now for the pricing, here, you can save $600 in 30 days and $6,000 in 1 year. So, for an annual plan of only $10 for like $10 a month and $100 per year, you can already have um, a subscription account with them. Now, one or for our final application, we have Quick and Simplify. So Quick and Simplify again, it has a fee that you need to pay. So for this one, it costs a lot cheaper compared to Inab. This one only costs around $4. It's currently on sale. So you can get that right now. It's available on iPhone, iPad, mobile and tablet devices, and even on the web. So you can use it on your computer or on your phone. Now, the best thing about this is you can track your income even after paying the bills. So, like here, what you can see here, you also have custom reports, spending plans, net worth, saving goals. Everything is already here and for lowest price as well. So, if you're looking for an application that offers multiple features but at the same time offers a cheaper alternative, then definitely this might be the application for you. There are, of course, some free applications out there that you can use, but definitely if you want our top three opinions, these are the budgeting applications that we would recommend. And if you want a free and a customizable budget plan, then I would suggest heading over to Canva. Canva has templates available for its users, though, of course, it's not like those budgeting applications, but these budget planners and monthly budget trackers are actually really helpful, especially if you're looking for something free and customizable. These are really helpful for you. So, for example, right here, we have monthly budget sheet right here. You can customize this template to suit your needs. So here you can add up your income, add a date, the description, when did you receive this income, the description, where did this income come from, and the amount, how much did you earn. At the same time, here you have your fixed expenses. So fixed expenses, let's say your bills, your electricity bill, your water utility bills, your internet, and other expenses, let's say your wants and stuff. And of course, you can have a recap here as well, your goals, your actual, and how much you have actually spent on it. So, yeah, these are some ways on how you can manage your budget, especially if you are on a low income. There are applications out there that are for free, but if you're looking for the top applications, then these are the ones we recommend. And hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.